Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get Windows 11 theme in Windows 10. So if you have the Windows 10 and you want to use the 11 Windows, you can get its theme. For that, you have to simply go to the Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store gets open, then you have to search for Windows 11 theme. There you will find a bunch of them. You can use any one of these. Make sure it has a good rating. Most of them don't have much downloads or install, but you don't have to worry. All of them will work best. But for the best, you have to simply go and select the first and the second one. Most of them are the right ones. You have to simply install them. It can come into different names like Windows 11 theme, dynamic theme. Once it is done, you have to open it up, and after that you will get into the settings. There you may not see anything different because it will show you like it's the default settings of your PC. So for that reason everything will be there, like the background, the colors, everything. You can now simply change the colors, and whatever options you want to change, you can do all that here. You can change the background, you can change the color. Even the colors in these options will also get changes based on what option you have selected. If you want to change the background like the wallpaper, you can also do it. Here we have this option for the background. You first have to simply select like if you want the colors, if you want the image or other option. Whatever option you select, based on that you will get further options and you will be able to change the background as per your choice. So that's how you can use these Windows 11 theme in Windows 10. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.